Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, today I am taking part in a collaboration. I'm new to this collaboration and this is Tea Time Tuesday. It's every Tuesday of every week. And the host is Live with Patti and her co-host is Kathy's Favorite Things. Guys, you guys know me. For those that know me, and for those that you guys don't know me, I bake a lot. I'm always busy, always doing things. So if we're gonna have tea, we need to have dessert. So guys, here I am again in my kitchen. So we're just gonna make cake. This time I am going to be using box cake. I am not going to make it from scratch. It's gonna be a simple cake. I'm gonna do marble. So of course I'm going to be using chocolate and yellow. I'm going to use half of each box to make my marble cake. And then guys, we're going to make our tea. And then I will take you guys to the dining room and we could chit chat a little bit. So for those that don't know me, of course, my channel name, you guys can see it, Deborah Cabasa Home Living. And for do they know me, hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. You know that. So yeah, guys, and I want to give a big shout out to Melissa from Buckeye Girls Recent Thing for letting me know about what is going on this month. Um, so yeah, guys, hopefully you guys see me in more collaborations. I like to support everybody, and I like to join in collaborations. Not just join in, I join in, I subscribe to the host, and I like to keep in contact with the people. A lot of you guys know that I am retired, so this is my hobby. I like to meet people, even though it's visual people. So, anyways, enough about that, guys. Let's get to it. I'm gonna move you guys close. I'm gonna get my apron on, and then we're gonna get to it. Okay? All right, guys, I'm back. I have my chocolate cake. I only put one egg in there, and I have my yellow cake with two eggs. I added a little bit of milk. You could add milk. I know it calls for water and eggs and oil. I don't use oil. I actually use butter. It gives it a better flavor. Um, it gives it like a bakery type flavor. And also the milk, it, it enhances the flavor as well. Um, so I do have water, which I have here, but I did add a little bit of milk. You could use regular homo milk, I think it's called, or homogenized milk. I use lactate, uh, and I'm going to use a little bit of water in milk, and of course butter. So I divide the butter to in between both of them, and then I will mix the ingredients together. I know you guys are gonna have questions, but why butter? I ran a kitchen for 21 years plus, and that was my main job. So um, yeah, we I know all the little tricks and things to do and not to do. And this time I am going to be using my little hand mix. It's a little one. And you got, I don't know, a lot of you guys don't know, but I drifted this one a long time ago. And always mix your yellow cake first when you do marble. So like that, when you do your chocolate cake, your yellow cake doesn't turn brown. So mix your ingredients together. What I'm gonna mix this together, guys, and I'm gonna come right back with you guys, all right? To go to the dining room and have our tea and chit chat. Well, guys, the cake is going into the oven and the middle rack. Guys, secret or a trick that I learned through my years of baking. Um, if you want your cake to be nice and moist, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take another baking pan. I will add a little bit of water and I will put it in the oven. And as the water evaporates, your cake picks, picks some of that moisture and it becomes nice and soft and spongy. And it's not as, and it won't collapse like a lot of cakes, they collapse and you could see like that gooey stuff in the middle. So you will have a nice spongy cake. And it will last you for at least a week on top of your counter, even though it has the milk. That's how come I'm using lactate, but you can also keep it in the refrigerator in a container, and it will not get like, you know how some cakes get like dry and flaky. That will not happen to the cake. All right, guys, I'm going to put my pan in the oven. Now I'm going to take you guys to my dining room. I'm going to set the table for our tea. Well, guys, here we are in my dining room. So now I'm going to be changing my table so we can enjoy our cake, our treats, and of course, our tea. So we will be having high tea. I do have tea regularly. A lot of you guys know they follow me. When I do a tablescape, I always have a set of teapot and cups on my table because we either have coffee or tea afterward. I grew up eating after dinner, having tea or coffee. And I will be sitting at table for two, my husband and I. Yeah, guys. So I hope you can enjoy me for some high tea. Well, guys, my table is set for tea. And I said I was going to do a setting for two, but I wound up doing a setting for four because my daughter and my grandson will be coming over. So now, since I have all these goodies here, let's go get the cake that I got in the oven. We got to take him out of the oven. Well, cake is out of the oven. You guys can see. See nice and the color on the top. So now I'm going to transfer it over to my cake plate to put some frosting on. And yeah, guys, of course, you guys know when your cake is done, when the toothpick comes out clean. Well, guys, the cake is done. Now we're just going to add some frosting. And yes, the frosting is hot, so that you guys can see. And it's hot for a reason. It's very, very hot. I don't add a lot of frosting to my cakes. So I usually add it like this so it goes to the side. I just like a little bit of frosting. My grandson likes a lot. So you guys know the Hayden always come here for me to bake him a cake. And always grandma spoiling him. So guys, remember this is Tuesday and we're going to enjoy our Tea Tuesday. That's our vanilla frosting. And now we're going to add a little bit of chocolate frosting. If it's up to me, I will add this whole chocolate. I love chocolate. Okay, now it's falling like so. So now I'm going to stir it because I want it to come out more soft. Well, I think my husband just got home from work. But I'm boiling water for my tea. And yes, I will be cleaning the side of the plate, even though you guys see the frosting there, or maybe not, maybe I leave it, I don't know, depends. Because if my daughter gets here with my grandson soon, I just leave it like that, and we have it like that. All right, guys, now we're going to have some tea. All right, guys, here I am on my table. Of course, the cake is right there, as you guys can see. Um, I'm having, it's not raspberry that I'm having this kind of tea, but I'm drinking blueberry, and it has a little bit of milk in it, as you guys can see there. Maybe I could bring you guys a little bit down. It has a little bit of milk, and of course my husband walked through the door with cinnamon bun. So guys, tea Tuesday, we have to chit chat a little bit, guys. If you are new to my channel, and Deborah Cabasa Home Living, go in my community tab. There is a invitation video, or you can find it on my channel. There is an invitation video for Memorial Day to do a collaboration. And if you want to participate, just make sure you link the hostess in the video, and everybody's welcome to participate. Once you watch the invitation video, um, leave me a comment saying that you are going to participate, just in case you cannot add the video to the playlist, and we will add you. Guys, here's my table. Of course, as you guys can see, there's a lot of goodies in here. Guys, a lot of you guys know that I'm a baker, but a lot of this food is um, not real food, okay? Because I also do some food for props. As you guys can see, here's my lighter. I'm going to light up the candles for you, and I will give you guys a look with the lights off. And here are the candles on. Guys, I'm going to add a little bit of more hot water to my tea because it's kind of strong. So let's add a little bit of water there. And yeah, guys, this is Tea Tuesday. So guys, my flowers are real. They are not fake flowers. They are real. They are beautiful. You guys can see, guys, this smells so good. This one is starting to open up. Yeah, guys. So this is my table for Tea Tuesday. I hope you guys like it. Ladies, thank you for hosting this collaboration. And like I said, shout out to Melissa from Buckeye Girl Wreath and Thing. Yeah, guys, so let's take a sip of our tea here. Salud. And bon appetit. It will be into the next one. Bye-bye, guys. I forgot to say one thing, like I always say. Be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you, and Debbie also loves you too. It will be into the next one.